Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to make this tea kettle from recycled material. It's very simple, and if you follow the steps, so let's start and let's see what we need. Those are the tools we are going to use. This is a cutter. These two bottles is for the injection bottles. I get them when I go to give vaccination for my cat. And this is plastic plates. So let's start. So I just remove the sticker on the bottle and I will cut it like this very slowly, and I have to be very careful because glass is dangerous. So I remove the excess and I be careful not touching the top because it's very sharp. Then I can use this tool to make it smooth. If you don't have it, then use the nail file thing. Now here I just want to I take these two pieces because I'm going to make the cover of the teapot, tea kettle. I put plastic and I heat it and I press like this. You know this technique. And I just make sure that it is like that. So I have to trim it and clean and remove the excess. Here we go. I try it. Perfect. Perfect. So that's the tea kettle and that's the cover. Now I will draw a small circle here on top of the plastic sheet, PVC, and another one smaller. I will trim them and I cut them and I use this. So I will use, if I don't have this, I use the one for the nails. So I make sure that it's really round, clean it, and I put the small one on top of the big one. What I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to make the cover. I just want to put it on top of inside of the cover, so the cover will be like open and close easily. Here we go. And I little bit press. Fine, good. Now let's try it. It's fine. Now I will bring this aluminium, very thin aluminium sheets. I cut them like that. Make them straight. I make 4 of them, and I try to little bit bend in the center and try to put the glass jug I have made, which basically is the one for the vaccine, the bottle for the vaccination. It's like this, and I'll try to make it up. Other side as well. Here we go. Now when I have the shape perfectly, I try to glue them with the super glue, something strong. Now I put the super glue and I try to make the thing on top. This is the metal as well, will be all around because I have to put the hand in the side. Now let's try the cover. Here, need to be trimmed more. Now we bring this circle, we put a pin in the center because I am going to do the thing which is inside of the kettle. I bring some very thin wire, I make them like that, move them and squeeze till I have this one. Okay. You know this thing which is inside the kettle. Now I will take the size I want. Then I cut it and glue it. I have this one. I make some holes. Now I have the three pieces which I'm going to glue them together connect them together with the help of this pin. And put them inside of the tea kettle. I spray them silver, of course. Now it is like that. That's the kettle with the hand. Let's see how it works. Yay, mashallah. Perfect. Now you can make different designs. You can, in place of making it silver, you can make it gold or you can make it brass color. Now I want to show you how I did the hand. This is a ear pad. This is like for the cotton, it's black color. It's very soft, it's made of plastic, and I'm going to heat it here to make it flexible and try to make the hand. I spray it as well. Here we go, and glue it. Now this is a small version. The glasses from the vaccination thing with the doctor is different sizes, so I can make different sizes out of this. And it's glass, look like real. You can actually put some water in it. Now this is how to do the hand. It's basically when we put this aluminum sheet, small stripes around it, we keep it open a little bit, because that in that open area I'm going to put the plastic hand. Here, like that, see? Yep. Guys, you can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Facebook. I left the links in the bio. And tell me what other opinions, stuff, what you want to do, then we can try to do it. If you like it, leave a comment and like my video. Every like you make for me, it gives a chance to 4 people to see the video and they will do like, so it's help to spread the channel. Thank you so much in advance for your support and help. And here is the tea kettle, one small and one baby and one mama. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed it and try it, and if you do it, mention to me and show me what your work is. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you in my next coming video. Thank you.